I'll give the topic for you.
Ma'am, for coordinators, you said you take at last.
That is there for another chapter, quadrilateral. I will give some important things of quadrilateral. Okay, children, quadrilateral, we have more things to learn. Okay. Hello, children.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, children. So this much is there. Quadrilateral is there. That I will give you more after this. After this, then we have another chapter. Okay, children. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So we will learn more about that. Okay, children. Now, shall we start? It is
Yes, ma'am.
chapter.
Ma'am.
I'll give the heading. It is chapter 9. Chapter 9. Data handling. Data handling. Data handling. You write the heading and keep the pen there. Okay, children?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, there is a book for data handling, right? Should we take it?
What book?
Ma'am, there is a book for data handling.
Graph book.
No
Graph
need.
book.
No
Okay.
need. Okay, now
I have
listen
it
to me. No, don't tell all those things now. I did not tell you to take all those. You just keep the pen there and listen to me. Write the heading first.
Ma'am, can you say the chapter number?
I have given there no chapter 9. Okay, children, shall we learn now? Shall we learn now, children? Listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now keep the pen there and listen. Nobody should talk in between. Okay, children. Listen to me. Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello,
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
you.
36 now. You keep the pen there and listen to me, children. This chapter, why I took this chapter? No, because today and tomorrow we have class only this 3 periods, and in between vacations, teachers are taking class from home, right, children? So,
ma'am.
it is, if it is data handling, it will be very easy for you to understand. So I took this chapter. Afterwards, there is one more chapter. That is whole numbers for our for our first term examination. So after this, I need the board usage more for taking whole numbers. So it is not possible for taking class from home. There are some limitations are there, isn't it, children? So that is why I selected this chapter, because it's very interesting, very easy. Okay, how is our chapter, children? Is it easy, maths?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Maths is
Okay,
easy.
children.
We
Okay,
study
children.
it. Understand.
Yes, sorry.
Maths is easy if we understand it.
Okay, yes. Listen, children. Now keep the pen there. All of you listen to me. Okay, data handling. Okay, children. Data handling. Data means a collection of information. Data is the collection of numbers gathered to get some information. Suppose we need some information about something. Suppose if it is COVID positive rate, we are collecting data, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that
Yes,
is the information, some informations. So for gathering to get that information, the numbers we are collecting, no? So from, if it is one panchayat, how many wards are there? Keep quiet. How many wards are there? Each ward, what is the TPR, test positive rate? All those things we are collecting, right, children? So that positive rate or the number of COVID patients are the information. For getting that information, we are collecting some numbers, right? Right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So we have a proper data analysis in Kerala, all based on all the community health centers, all the medical colleges in districts. Or what are the test positive rate? What is the antigen or rapid RT-PCR rate? Everything we are getting. So that is a data analysis, children. So at the end of the day, we will have a data analysis. So you understood what is data? Data is the information, numbers gathered. Clear? To get some information. From the data, we will get some information. Understood, children? Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So data is the data is some numbers gathered. What is that numbers based on? That numbers we are using to get some information. Clear, children?
Yeah.
So it is a
Yes,
collection
ma'am.
of numbers. Data is the collection of numbers. Data is the collection of numbers. And that numbers we are gathered. Why we are gathered? To get some information, useful information. Clear, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now listen to me. Suppose if it is in the offline classes, I used to tell the students this one. Before starting the class, I used to tell this. I used to tell them to collect the information. See, children, I'm your class teacher, suppose, and I told you to collect the information, collect the data of the students coming in school bus, school vehicle, or private vehicle. Some children are using school vehicle for transportation, right? School transportation.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
some children are using their private vehicles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Some children are using public transport.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I asked you to collect the information about the number of students using school vehicles and their private vehicles, like that. Two types of data I told you to collect. Okay, children. So your class, how many children are there in your class?
41.
41.
Okay, these 41 children, what they did is they made in a group, and in groups they form groups and they went to collect to each and every classes. They went and collect the information. How will you do? You will ask each and every children, right? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So what you are doing is you went to each and every class from first standard onwards. First standard onwards, you are going to each and every class and get the information directly, isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the data, what is the data here? Data is the number of children using school vehicles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is data. That is the collection of piece of information, right?
Yes,
Isn't it?
ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
what you did, you went to each and every class and asked directly to each child. And you wrote in a paper or a book and submitted to me, right, children?
Yes,
Submitted
ma'am.
to me.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you went directly and asked the children. You
Yes,
went
ma'am.
directly and asked the children. Okay, children, you went directly to ask the children. So you got the information. So this data, you understood what is data here?
It's an information.
Information. What is information here?
Number of students
Number of students using
Number of students using private vehicles and private
vehicles.
buses.
Okay. School vehicles and private vehicles. Okay, children. So that is data. And you went and directly collected from the students, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so it is known as you went and collected directly. It is known as primary data. Primary. You understood, children? The
Yes,
meaning
ma'am.
primary
Yes.
data. That means you went asked directly to each and every child. Isn't it? So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
the
Yes, ma'am.
direct collection. It is primary data. Okay? It is
Yes,
primary
ma'am.
Okay,
data.
ma'am.
Then some children, what they did, we are in groups. You made in yourself some different groups. And some children, what they did is they went and you know our floor managers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They have their records. They used to write now P for private vehicle.
Yes.
And the school numbers, right?
Yes,
School
ma'am.
Ma'am,
vehicles
in that
number.
book,
So,
in that large book.
okay. So some children, what they did is they went and asked from the floor manager. They collected the information from the floor manager, isn't it? So you used some source to get the information. You did not go directly to the children. You used some source to get the information. Okay. That is known as secondary data. Clear, children? You understood?
Okay,
You
ma'am.
ask the help of the floor manager to get the information. That is not, it's a very example. These all through examples I am explaining. Okay, children? So the data which is collected directly is known as primary data, and the data you are using to get the information from some sources. It is known as secondary data. You can use, I told the example of floor managers, but you can use televisions, internet, library, reference books, lot of things you can use. Not for collecting the number of children, for if any information, you can use TV programs, you can use some reference books. You can use internet, search in the internet, lot of other sources you can use, right,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
So
Electric
when you
source,
are seeking the help of some sources, it is known as secondary data. Clear, children?
yes.
Primary
ma'am.
data you are going and collecting directly, but the secondary data you are seeking the help of some sources. Suppose, so you have seen the TV rating, right, children? Which channel has most rating, most people, which program most people watch? If that is the thing, what they will do, they will go and get the collection. They will go and get the information from other sources, right? Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am. Like other websites.
Other website, or they have made some
Browsers
software
and
for that. So browsers,
software.
they will use
Check it.
those sources.
Excuse me.
Mm.
If it is a live, we can see how many percentage of the people.
Yeah. Okay, so we are using some other sources, right? You are not going directly to each and every person and ask. You are not doing like that. So this TV program rating and all, they are using some sources, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is known as secondary data. You understand, children? Primary
Yes,
data and
ma'am.
secondary data. Okay. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Data you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Data? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, so I told you to collect the data of the people, the children who are using the school vehicle and the private vehicles. Okay. So what you did is, you have given me like this, first standard, A, B, C, D, 31, 32, 20, 90, like that. Second standard. Some children, what they did is, they collected first, second, third, A, B, A sections first, then B section second, like this. Some children, what they did is, they collected first standard all the divisions, second standard all the divisions, like that. We are in groups now. So different groups, they have given me different types of data. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this information is not organized. It is not organized. That means This information you are giving simply, you wrote like this for second standard, 30, 19, 20, like that. You did not give me anything in an order. That you did not give me in an order. You have given me simply the numbers to me. So when I see this, will I understand anything?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I
No,
won't
we
get
can't
a,
understand
I
it
won't,
because-
No.
I won't get a clear idea. I won't get a clear idea. You are giving some information without any order. Okay, that information is known as raw data. Raw vegetables, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Raw
ma'am.
So
data.
raw vegetables means without cooking, right?
Yes.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
like
without
that.
proper order.
Raw data means it is does not have a proper order. You are collecting and given me all mixed up. Okay,
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 ma'am.
children.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
mixed up. So it is
Okay,
known as without any order. Tanya, don't write anything. It is without any order. That is known as raw data. Clear, children?
Yes.
You understood?
ma'am.
You understood
Yes,
about
ma'am.
data
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
and primary data,
can I
secondary
repeat
data,
again?
Yes,
primary
ma'am.
data and secondary data.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
raw data means the information which is not organized, which is not in an order, in any order, mixed up. It is known as raw data.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Ma'am,
Now,
can
yes,
you once
ma'am.
more explain raw data? I didn't
raw
understand
data
it.
is that without any order, you are giving me mixed up all the classes, all the divisions mixed up, and you are giving me without any order. That is known as raw data. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
You
Okay.
did not organize it properly. So what
Okay.
you did is, so that is raw data. So I got raw data. But when I got raw data, I did not understand anything. So I told you to arrange it in class wise. Okay, class wise and give me. I told you to arrange in class wise. First standard, add all divisions number. Those who are using private vehicles. Okay, children. I told you to give separately divisions. Afterwards, you add and give me like that. I told you. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
first standard, second standard, third standard, like that. All the classes, all divisions together, you add and give me. Separately, you give the information like that. I told you. Okay. So what you did? You got the information and you arranged it in properly. Arranged it properly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You organized it. You organized it and you drawn a table. And you have given standard, first standard, divisions like this. You drawn a table and given me. If I see this, it will be great help for me to understand, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So this data, what we did is, I told you to give it. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I told
Yes,
that raw
ma'am.
data to understand or to organize. That is known as organizing data. Okay, children, you understood? Organizing
Yes, ma'am.
data. Organizing data. That means you organize it. That means in any order you give. Class wise or draw a table, that is good. No, whenever we are submitting anything, we have to submit it properly, nicely. So that is known as organizing data. Okay, children. So you organized it. And you understood up to this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So that is organization of data. Okay, children. So later what I did is, you organize and give me, you have given the table format, first standard, second standard, third standard, up to 10 standard, you have given me the number of students in different divisions. So it will be very useful for me. Okay, children. So that raw data or organization of data, which is useful for the teacher to understand or the person.
Organization.
Organize.
Okay, children.
Organize.
Actually,
Other is not.
okay, now listen to me. Now listen to me. Please mute children. Angelina, please mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so afterwards what we did is, you organized and given me. Up to that you understood. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But see, children, our data handling, the main thing is not collecting the information, not draw data, not organizing data. The main purpose of data handling is that any person, if any child or any elder one of any illiterate person, what do you mean by illiterate? Literate and illiterate. What do you mean by illiterate?
Uneducated?
Literacy.
Yes, ma'am. I have heard it, but I
illiterate
don't
means-
know.
Ma'am,
Literate means who doesn't know to read or write.
Yes, ma'am. I'm uneducated.
Uneducated. So the person who is uneducated or illiterate should understand in a glance, within a fraction of seconds, he should understand the data properly. That is the main aim of the data handling. Okay. Even an illiterate person should understand it when they see the data properly. So up to organization, you understood, no? So
Yes,
organization, up to organization is very important, but more important is our gist of the chapter is to represent the data. The representation of data is very important. Okay, children, representation of data is very important. Representation, that means everybody should understand when it in the first glance, first look. Okay, within a fraction of seconds, any illiterate person should understand. I will give one example. Do you remember our behavior chart, children? Do you remember our behavior chart?
Yes, ma'am. That we will get the monthly star.
Do you
Ma'am, what
remember
is that,
that?
ma'am?
Do you
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
that?
I remember.
Okay, children. I
We
will
are getting
explain.
the
Yes,
star.
yes. Now listen, children. I will explain what is behavior chart. Okay, children. This is an example. See, we have different groups. Our class, we have 4 groups or something, and we have a chart. Teachers will make a chart, and we will write
Ma'am,
the
I know,
name.
ma'am. Plus,
Yes.
minus.
Listen. We write the name of the children like Sri Shankar, Angelina, Richard. Like this, we'll write the name of the children. And if they are doing any good thing.
Ma'am, you're not sharing.
1 second. I shared.
Ma'am, you shared.
Listen. So what we did is, what we are doing is, some children are doing the work perfectly on timely submission or doing good things. What we do is, we'll give +5, +3 and +1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
you will get this 3 times, 4 times like this. Huh? And if you are not doing the homework or the things properly, what we will do?
Minus.
Minus
Minus
negative
5,
mark,
minus
-1 will give. And listen. At last, what we will do? Assembly day, it is a very headache for the teachers to count the marks and to get the star of the month. Each group,
Yes, ma'am. Month star.
okay, which group, which child has got maximum number, and that person will be the star of the month. Okay, children. So it is a headache for the group leaders as well as the teachers to count the points, right?
Count the points, yes, ma'am.
So do you
Ma'am,
remember?
in the night, ma'am, in the evening, she will start counting before next day.
Yes, children. So we have on first day of the month, we have assembly. I don't know whether you remember it. And
Ma'am,
we
I
have,
remember.
okay. And previous day we used to count the numbers, right, children?
Yes, ma'am. And they will
So
announce the star.
it is a hectic job for us, for the teachers, to count the correct number. And if any mistake happens, you all will come and
Ma'am,
ask
now
us,
it is
right?
not the right.
Ma'am, will get a badge also, ma'am.
We'll
in the
get a
assembly.
star of the month badge
That star
also.
of the
Do
month
you
badge.
remember that all those things?
Yes, ma'am, but
Yes,
I
ma'am.
forget the leadership. I
And
know
now,
your
I am
class.
a new student
okay.
at 5.
Yes. Now listen. So what we did is, we found the star of the month. But if I show this to any person, will he understand anything? Because it is +5, +1, -1, lot of things are there. We organized it, right? but nobody could understand. Even an outside person couldn't understand anything, right? Okay, children. But what I did is I have drawn like this. Listen to me. This is Angelina's. Then this is Richard. Angelina, and 1 second.
Ma'am, Sri Shankar ma'am.
1 second.
It's not loading.
Yes.
Okay. Angelina, Richard, and Sri Shankar. Did you understand who is the star of the month?
Angelina.
Angelina.
Did you understand?
Angelina.
How did you understand?
Because when we check the graph, the graph
This is the highest bar,
mark.
right? So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understood it.
ma'am.
You did not wait for me. You asked me. You answered me very fast. Who is the star of the month? Isn't it?
Yes,
ma'am.
So I represented it. It is the representation. Any person can
Representation
understand
of
seeing
data.
this. Any person can understand. Not only you, but any person who doesn't know to read or write can understand seeing this bar graph. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the main aim of the data handling, representation of data. Representation. I used this example for you to understand it properly. Okay, so this is a simple example. This is known as representation of data. So raw data, primary data, secondary data, organization of data, which is the most important thing, children? Representation of data. Understood? Representation, you understood?
Yes,
Understood, children?
ma'am.
And in you using the when election time, you might have seen like this.
Yes, ma'am. In the news and
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. News
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
there.
Mm.
Bar graph.
So this is not a bar graph. This
Circle.
is known as
Circle graph.
chart.
Chart.
And different color, LDF, UDF, BJP,
Pie
others
chart.
like that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is known as
Ma'am.
pie chart. Which one got the highest number?
LDF.
Okay, children. So you
LDF.
without telling, I did not tell you anything, but when you see that, you understood, right?
Ma'am, that portion.
Yes,
Portion. That's sectors. What is that, children? It is sectors. When you see the
Sectors.
number of sectors,
Sector.
when you see the size of the sectors, you understood that which party got the highest vote, right? So
Yes,
during
ma'am.
election
Yes,
time,
ma'am.
the newspaper and TV news channels, they use pie chart so that everybody can understand the data. Clear, children? Clear, children? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is known as representation of data. Everybody can understand. Any person can understand. Even a small child can understand. Isn't it, children? So that is the main aim of the data, representation of data. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So I will continue in the next period.
Okay, ma'am. Bye,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye,
Okay,
children.
Bye,
Somebody
ma'am.
else is signing. Okay. Some other teacher is signing. Okay, children. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, children. Take care.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.